Before injection of botulinum toxin azalure in the glabellar area, we recommend drawing the fascial muscles. A good knowledge of the anatomy of this region before any treatment is mandatory. The first landmark is for the processus muscle, the right one and the left one. It's a depressor of the head of the eyebrow. Its bone insertion is on the lateral part of the nasal bone. It creates horizontal nasal wrinkles after its contraction. The good way to inject it: 1 point at the level of the nasofrontal suture between the two muscles. Then you can change the angle of injection to touch the two sides. The second landmark is the corrugator muscle. This muscle creates the lion's line. This is the muscle of the eyebrow. It's a depressor of the eyebrow. It brings the eyebrows downward and inward. This muscle is along the eyebrow, like you see on the video. The bone insertion is deep inside near the orbital rim, and the lateral subcutaneous insertion is at the mid part of the eyebrow. This corrugator muscle is strong, thick, and in a deep plane. Remember the 5 points: 1 for the processus muscle and 2 for the corrugator muscle. 1 centimeter over the orbital rim internal and 1 centimeter over the orbital rim external for the subcutaneous insertion of this muscle. Never inject over the eyebrow. This is the internal limit of the frontalis muscle. It elevates the eyebrow. This is the external limit of the orbicularis oculi muscle. It pulls down the eyebrow. You have to inject these 5 points of 10 units of azalure to be efficient in the treatment of the glabellar area. In practice, you inject with an angle 90 degrees and then you change 45 degrees for each side, 5 units to touch the right one and the left one. For the corrugator, 90 degrees to the skin. Inject deep near to the bone, 10 units. And for the external part of the corrugator muscle, you inject in the same direction than the muscle, 10 units, but more superficial in this external part of the corrugator muscle. In the other side, deep injection, 10 units, near the bone, near the internal insertion of the muscle, and more superficial in the lateral part of the corrugator muscle, 10 units.